Hello everyone, Michael here from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. Today I briefly want to discuss what asset management plans you need leading to closing. As you approach closing, you need to draft a detailed initial 90-day business plan. In this initial business plan, at a minimum, you need to cover these 6 areas. Number 1, rent premiums. Here you'll want to list the proforma rents you're trying to achieve and what upgrades will warrant these premiums. Number 2, renewals. In this section, include plans for onsite transfers, in-place upgrades to proforma, and in-place renewals, along with upgrade budgets for each one. Number 3, unit turns. Here you will want to include suggested renovations and budgets for each unit type. No need to get into the weeds with each individual unit. Empower your property manager to make the call on what needs to be done as long as they stay within the budget. Number 4, capital improvements. In this section, list the mandatory lender and insurance repairs and improvements and the date they must be completed, as well as other improvements in order of priority. Number 5, other income targets. Here you'll want to detail the plans to achieve additional income if that's in your business plan. And number 6, quarterly financial targets. In this last section, list your income collection and NOI targets for each quarter during year 1. Once you've drafted this initial business plan, it's time for a meeting. This meeting should include the asset managers as part of the general partnership team, the director or owner of your property management company, your regional property manager, and your on-site manager. This meeting is a time to ensure that everyone is on the same page, and if there are any questions or concerns, they can be addressed now, not after takeover. Putting together an initial 90-day business plan is critical and prepares your team for a smooth takeover following closing. Until next time, explore more, adventure awaits.